Hey guys, it's Kelsey. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the two Ninja Slushi models that are currently available. We have the Walmart exclusive version, which is the FS300, and then we have the version that's available everywhere else, and that's the FS301. So I'm going to be talking about the differences, the similarities, and hopefully helping you make a decision of which one to get if you haven't purchased it yet. Now, if you've already purchased it, maybe you're looking to get a second unit because they are pretty amazing, and maybe you're curious about the other version that you didn't buy. So let's get started. So the first difference is price. So the Walmart exclusive version right here, this is $249. The other version is $299. So $50 difference. So you're saving $50 by getting the Walmart version, but let's talk about the things that make them different other than price. So the first thing are the programs. So with the Walmart version, you just get the 3 programs, the slush, the spiked slush, and the milkshake. And the other version, you get 5. You get the slush, the spiked slush, the milkshake, and also the frozen juice and the frappe setting. Now, you can still make frozen juice and frappes on the Walmart version. You just can't push a button and have it do it automatically. You have to adjust the temperature yourself. It's not really a big deal. So if you want to replicate a frappe on this version, you would just push 2 bars here, and that would be your frappe. For the frozen juice, you would just do 1 bar. So you can still make those things. You just, instead of pushing over here, you're gonna have to remember and then push over here. So honestly, that's not a big deal. And for me, I don't even like frappes, and I've only done the frozen juice once. So it wouldn't even be an issue for me at all, but just something to keep in mind. The other difference is the vessel size. So I'm gonna take these out so you can appreciate the difference. As you can see, the Walmart version is smaller. This is 72 ounces, which is also 2.1 liters. This one is 88 ounces, which is 2.6 liters. So the Walmart one is smaller, so you're not getting as much liquid in here. Another difference is the max fill line. So on your vessel, when you're pouring in your liquid here, there is a max fill line. So on the Walmart version, it is 48 ounces. On the other one, it is 64. So basically, it means this one can make more than this one, which you've already figured that out because it's larger. So as far as other differences, there is a difference in actual size. This one is actually 1 inch taller than this one. They're both the same width, so it's truly just an inch. I guess if you were trying to put this in a tight spot, maybe that inch would make a difference to you, but something to know, especially if you have a smaller area where you're wanting to keep it. Another difference is the color. So this one here is Arctic blue with, I would say, like dark gray here, and this one is light gray and dark gray. Honestly, I prefer this color scheme to this one. I don't know, I just like it better, but not really a big deal, but maybe it is to you, so something definitely to point out. Okay, so just to recap, we've got a price difference between the two. This one's $50 less. This one has 5 programs. This one only has 3, but that's not really a big deal because you can replicate those programs yourself. The vessel size is larger than this one. The max fill line is larger. And this one is 1 inch taller, and obviously the color is different. But at the end of the day, this one makes more than this one. So you really have to ask yourself, how much am I going to be making? Do you have a large family? Are you planning on having a lot of get-togethers, parties, or you would need a large quantity? Or is it really just you and your significant other, and you're not really going to entertain? You really don't need that large quantity. I think that's kind of the biggest difference between the two, in my opinion, is your uses. Like, what are you using this for? Sure, it would be great to save $50, but if you're gonna be, if this one is not large enough for you, it's probably not worth it. So I hope this was helpful for you in making the decision between the 2 models. I have had this for not quite a month, and I've made a ton in it. I think it's a really awesome machine. I've made several other videos. I've made sugar-free drinks, which you can do, and I will link that video for you. I've made Wendy's Frosty, which turned out amazing, so I will link that. I've made energy drink, slushes. You can pretty much make anything with this. So I definitely recommend getting the Ninja Slushi. Just which model is kind of up to your unique situation, which will work better for you. But I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think it's a really awesome kitchen appliance to have, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.